Today I will be demonstrating the Search and Highlight Excel. Search and Highlight Excel is a simple workbook with a little bit of code behind it that allows you to import a spreadsheet such as a unit level hand receipt and use the code to search through and highlight values within the spreadsheet. We'll start searching, and today I'm going to be using a barcode scanner to input the values, but you can also type in the values as well. I'll start scanning, and we're going to take inventory of everything within my little office area that doesn't have a barcode. So I'll type in AJPL. An item was not found, so we're going to do a partial search, and it finds the item with that long serial number, so I didn't have to type in that entire serial number. Move on to the next one. That's good. That's good. That's good. This one's giving me problems. Let's see why. It says 2 have been found. I'll cycle through and find out the correct one. This is computer Dell, so it looks like it already landed on the correct one. Go to find next. The other one's a printer, and that's obviously not a printer. So I'll go to find next, back to the original, highlight, and I can continue on. Oh, sorry, Josie.
It's okay.
Move down here, get this printer. That's another duplicate, same serial number. Again, I'll do find next. It says it's a printer, highlight it, and move on to next. This one wasn't found. Let's try a partial match and see if it's in there just partially. BD36. And it found BD36 because supply guy was too lazy to type in that whole serial number. Move on to next. It doesn't have a barcode label, so I'll do 2400. Didn't find anything. Let's try partial search. Found it, and no problem there. Now I got last one to go. This top monitor I'm using. Again, another partial search. And it found it. Now I just have the ones that I could not find, or they are not in this office, not highlighted, and I can go search for them. Recently, the Army went over to GCCS Army for its supply management systems, and it prints out the unit level hand receipts as PDFs. And I don't know if it does Excel documents, but I'm going to show you how to change this PDF into an Excel document. We're going to go ahead and open it in Acrobat Pro, and I'll go to Content Editing, go to Export File to, and choose Excel Workbook. Now each version of Acrobat is a little bit different, so you may have to search around. It may not be the exact same as the version I'm working with. I'll save this as an Excel document, and we'll check to see if it formatted correctly. And it doesn't look too bad. From there, I'll go back to Search and Highlight Excel version 1. I'll import that sheet I just produced. Import the table. If I want, I can go ahead and rename it, but I'm not too worried about it in this case. And same as we demonstrated earlier, format the worksheet, get rid of all the horrible spaces if they're there. Start searching and highlighting. That concludes this demonstration of SAHE, or Search and Highlight Excel.